T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff. Go Falcon, go MRV, and go MEP.
Vehicle is pitching downrange.
MOD tier pressures are nominal.
T plus 30 seconds into flight, Falcon 9 has successfully lifted off from Space Launch Complex 40 at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. The vehicle is currently throttling down to prepare for max Q, the point of maximum aerodynamic stress on the rocket.
Power and telemetry nominal.
There's confirmation from mission control that everything is on track. Max Q is reached when the air density of the atmosphere...
Falcon 9 is supersonic.
And there's confirmation that Falcon 9 is now moving faster than the speed of sound. So again, we are standing by for max Q, which is reached when the air density of the atmosphere decreases faster than the increasing speed of the rocket, and that's why it's a critical milestone for us during flight.
Max Q.
Right on schedule. So now there are several events coming up back-to-back that are going to start with MECO, or main engine cutoff, stage separation, and second engine start, or SES-1. MECO is just what it sounds like. That's the moment when the first stage engine shut down because the booster has done all that was needed to get the second stage and payload to orbit. MECO immediately precedes stage separation, when the first and second stages are decoupled from each other. After that, the second stage ignites its single Merlin vacuum, or MVAC engine, for the first time.
MVAC in flight chill.
There we heard we're beginning to chill that MVAC engine for ignition up in space. Awesome views there as we take our mission robotic vehicle and MEPs to orbit. We are standing by for main engine cutoff just under 30 seconds from now. And for those of you following along at home, you do have in the bottom corner of your screen a good readout of our current speed and altitude telemetry, as well as an indicator of which engines are currently lit on board our first stage.
MECO. Stage separation confirmed.
There we had confirmation of main engine cutoff and stage separation. Great views
MVAC ignition
of both of those, and of course MVAC ignition on board our second stage as well. Now coming up next is fairing separation. More great views of that MVAC engine burning up in space as we take our payloads to orbit today.
Fairing separation confirmed.
There we have a great visual of fairing separation and of course our announcement from Mission Control. So those two fairing halves are now making their way back to Earth to hopefully be recovered again. And coming up next is SECO-1, the first shutdown of the Merlin vacuum engine on board our second stage, which is expected at about T plus 8 minutes, followed by SES-2, when the Merlin vacuum engine on that second stage is going to relight. We're going to take a short break, and we'll see you back here just before SECO-1.
Stage 1 FTS
Welcome back to SpaceX's live coverage of the Northrop Mission Robotic Vehicle and Mission Extension Pod's launch. We have had an excellent mission so far today, with an on-time liftoff at 5:15 p.m. Eastern Time.
Stage 2 FTS safe.
We are now standing by for SECO 2 of our MVAC engine. SECO 1.
And MVAC shutdown.
There we have confirmation that MVAC has shut down for the first time on today's mission.
Nominal orbit insertion.
And confirmation from Mission Control that we are in a good orbit. The next milestone we're waiting for is second engine start 2, when our MVAC engine on board the second stage will relight. That's set to occur at T plus 28 minutes and 52 seconds. So we're going to take another break here to stretch our legs and leave you with some more great views and space tunes.